My name is Howard Edelman, and I'm CEO of Vahaticor. Vahaticor is uniquely positioned to offer effectiveness and workflow solutions for all coronary sinus therapy applications. We're currently focused on providing solutions for chronic refractory angina and STEMI myocardial salvage. In this presentation, I'll discuss our solution for treating no-option refractory angina patients, which is currently undergoing clinical evaluation in a chronic sheet model at the Cleveland Clinic. The company already has significant interest from strategic partners and is preparing for its Series A raise. Despite optimal pharmacological treatment, CABG, conventional PCI, and CTO PCI, many patients continue to experience angina. While the mortality rate is low, angina is a debilitating condition impacting the quality of life. Many patients require recurrent hospitalizations, and this represents a significant expense to the healthcare system. To the cardiologist, medical therapy often doesn't seem to solve angina symptoms. To the interventional cardiologist, many patients who have undergone CABG, conventional PCI, and CTO PCI continue to report angina symptoms. To the ER physician, these patients present themselves frequently to the ER complaining of chest pain. As a result, this represents a significant market opportunity. In the US alone, 20 to 40% of patients present recurrent angina or persistent angina. Worldwide, it's estimated up to 500,000 patients could benefit from an effective alternative solution, such as a coronary sinus reducer. The sole competitor in this market is Neovasc. Their device is a balloon expandable stainless steel restrictor in the shape of an hourglass. The fundamental principle of operation is that this device forms a restriction post-endothelialization in the sinus, leading to the development of an upstream pressure gradient that results in the redistribution of blood to the epicardium. Neovasc has over 2,500 devices implanted to date. Poor adoption despite a significant patient population, primarily due to the lack of randomized clinical trials. FDA's acknowledged positive product safety, but couldn't ascertain efficacy with the limited patient population in the Coursera-1 study. Neovasc has reported a 70% positive response rate in this patient population. In identifying a number of product limitations through clinician feedback, Vahaticor is executing a fast follower strategy for first-in-man studies starting June 2023. Defined in Vahaticor's unique IP, we have identified a number of clear improvements over Neovasc. The Neovasc device is balloon expandable, and there is often an interference and dislodgement in the retraction of the balloon. Vahaticor's system is self-expanding. The Neovasc device is effective 2 to 3 months post-delivery, given the time it takes for proper endothelialization to form the central restriction. The Vahaticor device is designed to have a much more immediate response and lead to faster symptom relief for patients, thus helping to increase the percentage of positive responders. Neovasc is currently selling in the EU at an ASP of €9,000, so we think this is a very attractive business. They have breakthrough status in the US while they're doing the clinical studies, and they've done a good job of establishing reimbursement in the US. We're expecting a reimbursement here of about $14,000, and the estimated case reimbursement to the facility is $35,000. Now this is, again, a 20-minute procedure. The next 2 slides are going to see our embodiment, or our device, which we call the A-Flux, and you can see this under fluoro in an acute sheep study. You can see the outline of our device on the right, positioned in the coronary sinus near the coronary ostium. In this view, you can see the device again under fluoro, contrast media introduced, and you can see how the flow is already starting to be directed through the hourglass shape of our device. In regards to fundraising, Vahaticor completed its Series Seed quite quickly in December of last year with a small group of distributors and cardiovascular surgeons. We're targeting our Series A completion this June, and this will provide funding to our first-in-man clinical study starting in June 2023. We feel that our team of seasoned executives and key opinion leaders position the company well for execution and an early exit. We also have a great team of scientific advisors as well that really are helping take this system to other key opinion leaders and giving us very insightful clinical feedback that are helping the development tremendously. Thank you.